In this video, you are going to see the gaming review of the iPhone X, an 8-year-old mobile phone. I'm going to play some heavy games on this device and we will see how it handles the load, tracking, battery drops and temperature changes on both the front and back. Right now, I'm connected to Wi-Fi and the battery is at 100%. Here is the list of 6 games that I will be playing. I checked the ambient temperature, it's 29.9 degrees Celsius. This is also the room temperature at which I am playing. The initial temperature of the device was 33.2 degrees Celsius. Let's start gaming with PUBG. I'll play for about 10 minutes and then check how the battery holds up along with the temperatures on both the display and the back. This device is powered by the Apple A11 chipset and 10 nanometer processor. I expect that the temperature will cross 40 degrees Celsius when playing heavy games. Let's see if that is true as we analyze this video. I'm fast forwarding the gameplay so you can see the results. If you'd like to watch the gameplay in real time, you can slow it down in the YouTube settings. After over 10 minutes of gameplay, the battery is still at 100% and I didn't notice any lags. It's mind-blowing that even after 8 years, this device handles games pretty well. However, it's too early to decide. The temperature on the display side is 41.9 degrees Celsius and on the back it's 41.3 degrees Celsius. Next, I'm playing eFootball, which many of you suggested for upcoming gaming reviews. If you have any suggestions, let me know in the comments. I'll do my best to include them in the next review. This is my first time playing eFootball, so please forgive me if I'm not playing well. I know I'm not great at it. After about 21 minutes of gameplay, the battery is at 96%. I have observed that iPhones maintain a solid 100% holding capacity initially. Once it drops even 1%, the battery can deplete quickly depending on the apps you are using. The temperature on the display side is 38.6 degrees Celsius, while on the back it's 38.4 degrees Celsius. Compared to the previous game, the temperature have dropped and I can comfortably hold the device without issues. By the way, I'm not using any back case during the entire gameplay. Next, I'm playing Genshin Impact. This is a heavy, graphically intensive game and I suspect it might experience some lag. After playing for a couple of minutes, as expected, I noticed occasional lags during gameplay, about 2 out of 10 times. After 31 minutes of gameplay, the battery dropped to 89%. The temperature on the display side is 42.2 degrees Celsius, while on the back it's 43.9 degrees Celsius. Next up is Shadow Fight 4. Let's see how this game handles. After some more minutes of continuous gameplay, the battery dropped to 82%. The temperature on the display side is 42 degrees Celsius and on the back it's 42.6 degrees Celsius. These temperatures are rising quickly after each game. I'm starting to feel a bit uncomfortable holding the device due to its stainless steel frame. Next, I'm playing Call of Duty. After a few minutes of continuous gameplay, the battery dropped to 75%. The temperature on the display side is 41.6 degrees Celsius, while on the back it's 40.7 degrees Celsius. By the way, the battery health of this iPhone is at 100%. I checked it using the 3U software tool. Check out the unboxing video for more details. The last game I'm playing in this review is Asphalt Car Racing. This is another graphically heavy game with fast changing scenes. I noticed some lags in this game as well. After 1 hour of continuous gameplay, the battery dropped to 70%. The temperature on the display side is 42.8 degrees Celsius and on the back it's 43.7 degrees Celsius. As you can see, the temperature continues to rise when playing heavy graphically intensive games. So, is this mobile good for gaming? The short answer is yes. but you will notice heating issues and occasional lags when playing heavy graphically intensive games. If you play basic games like Subway Surfers, Temple Run or Ludo, you won't experience significant heating issues or battery drops. That's the gaming review of the iPhone X this year, guys. I'm really surprised at how this 8-year-old mobile phone can still handle games with ease most of the time. We definitely need to appreciate the Apple chipset and hardware here. That's why many people stick with iPhones for years, unlike many Android phones. This is the gaming review of the iPhone X in 2025. If you want to watch more videos related to this device like camera test, charging test or battery test, check out the links in the description box and in the comment section. I'll update it if the link is not available. Feel free to watch those videos as well, and I'm waiting for you in those videos.